anong masasabi mo about kay Carlos Yulo and family?
Congratulations.
Dun sa situation nila.
It's a matter of time and understanding. Everything should be understand in both sides. There's no problem that can be solved with talking to each other. Yun yung ano eh. Sometimes there are things that
Wait lang.
separates you with other people, which it's because of maling pag-iisip, 'di ba? Yung mga extra na iniisip na. Sometimes a confrontation and asking something from the other person may solve a simple problem. That's life, 'di ba?
About issues sa family, sa mommy, daddy,
Yun
and
nga,
sa girlfriend.
as I said, the problem is no matter who you are, you need to go down your
To your
pride.
parents.
Your pride. Because they're still your parents. They are still the one who help you surpasses all the problems in life
Exactly.
in the first stage of your life, di ba?
Yes, correct.
Hindi ka naman may involved into kay katulad kay Carlos Yulo, he will not be involved into the gymnastics or any activities without her parents pushing him sa ganung activities, di ba? Hindi ka naman maging basketball player ng dahil lang gusto mo eh. It's because someone pushes you.
Yeah.
It may not be straight from your parents, but maybe your parents orchestrated it. So it depends, di ba? But still, they are still involved into those things. And you have to be thankful. Yes, of course, ikaw naghirap, ikaw nagtraining, but your parents is there. And will always be there. Wow. That's it.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So, you need to go
Exactly.
down to your parents, guys. Kasi whatever happened, parents nyo pa rin yun. Kahit anong nagawa nila o ginawa nilang mali, hindi ka nagustuhan, still parents nyo pa rin yun. You need to go down to your parents, okay? Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, guys.